All right, so this should be okay. Let's test that out. Let's make sure everything is live before we continue. Essentially. So make sure everything is live. Yep. Let's go to studio. Music is paused. Let's play music. All right, everyone. Thank you. Let's see. Let's go live or something. Let's see. And we are live. Fantastic. We're not lagging, I hope. We should not be lagging. Hi, YLT. Thank you for joining. Right now I am building a portfolio using React. So today I'll be going through the process of finding inspirations for portfolios, how I would design the product before even starting to program, and just finding a personality to represent on my job hunt, I guess. So thank you for joining. Let me just transition back. So I'll be using awards as my main source of inspiration. And we'll see how this works out. This camera is a bit laggy, so I might have to switch onto my regular camera, and we'll see. Yeah, so stay tuned. Right now, I'm not sure why. Right? Yeah, I am lagging. I know why. I don't know exactly why, because I am connected directly to Ethernet. So I hope maybe if I switch into a scene, this will fix it. Let me just. Let's see. Alright, so let's pull up awards. So, I'm looking for a little bit of inspiration, so we're gonna have to put awards on the side here. I'm gonna use Notion as my main, I guess, method of keeping track of what we're looking for. So I'm gonna create a document, and I'm gonna call it portfolio, make it a project, and here we're just trying to find like inspiration to build. So this may be here. Music is too loud. Oh, I see why. So let me know. Is it better now? All right. Let's see. All right. I'm gonna have to mute myself for a second. Okay, it should be better now. Sorry. Oh. Perfect. All right, so we will be starting. So I'll be doing web development here. That's a web development project. So I'll make a new page here. I did pass my exam. Thank you for checking. And then main, you just call it main project, and then we'll just add. So now we have finally graduated. That means we have to enter the new world, right? And yeah, new world means finding jobs, I guess. We'll find out. All right, so thank you. Yeah. And then we can make an H1 inspiration. Oh. And then we'll just be designing with that. So, but before that, I need to make a Canva board table. Let's make a table, a board view, and here. Let's just delete this. I don't know. I need to make some tasks, so I need a table. Inline database. We'll see. Board view. I remember you. I think you commented on my video once. Okay. Let's make a new database. All right, and then portfolio. Actually, to do. Let's just call it to do. And we'll make 3 sections. One section will be this. Well, I'll just rename that. So let's make this section called, yeah, to do is fine. To do in progress, and so let's make this first thing. He did, yeah. Call it finding inspo, and then here we'll have to build the architecture. Not layout. Build page. Yeah, system, sure. We need to find a good color palette. Color palette. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much what we're needing. So in progress, we'll need to find inspiration. And then let's put all our inspiration here. No, actually, let's just do it all in one page so it's a lot easier to manage. All right. So let's see what's. Let's look at portfolios and let's see what is trendy right now in the tech world. I know a lot of 3D elements are currently trendy, so I might try and add that, but we'll see how about that. I have an idea, but we'll see. Let's see here. What is this? Okay. Yeah, they have a 3D element here. It is very interesting, right? So I'm not looking to steal their design or anything. I'm looking mostly to see what is currently trending in the web development world, and this seems. I know a lot of like purplish colors are also trending, so I might try and use that, but we'll see. Your interview. All right, so okay. What are we looking at? A lot of these scrolling text are being used, so I'll take a screenshot of that. Kind of big fonts. You'll see a lot of massive fonts and moving backgrounds. So like I said, big in a lot of 3D elements and then scrolling fonts. I've also seen this a couple of times. These little menus on the side. They seem to be. A lot of designers are using them. Again, scrolling font. The type, like the fonts and typography, I don't think I'll worry about it too much. I'm more worried about the elements inside my design. I want to use forgot what it's called. I think it's called. There's a package called. Let me check. I was looking it up earlier today. Let's see. A lot of that. Called Gasp. I might be using Gasp. Gasp is essentially a package or like yeah, you could say a package that is specifically designed for like scrolling animations like this. So I think it'd be kind of cool to have that on the portfolio. So this is me scrolling. Yeah. So I'll definitely be using Gasp for this portfolio. We'll see. Uh, yeah, we'll see. Okay. What else does this man have? I'm just gonna pop a couple that I think are interesting. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's I mean, obviously a lot of this is not very practical at all. Like you wouldn't actually use this in the real world, but you want to make yourself stand out, obviously. So a lot of times animations and how you design your portfolio and your overall projects is what attracts a lot of not develop recruiters. Um, and so of course a lot of techniques. So it kind of proves your skill set, right? So and overall, the more technology you know, the better you are as a developer in overall. So again, with this scrolling font, it's very popular. Let's visit the site. Let's see what this site looks like. Oh wow. Yeah, so this is Gasp. This is all Gasp. So these little small animations, you see how, yeah. And then you can see like the little like play floating into place as I scroll down. And what is this font? I've seen this a couple of times. I like that. Let's scroll again. We see that a lot. Okay. A long time ago, I started programming when I was very young. My first, I think, website was probably, I don't know, when I was like 18, maybe 17. I'm not really a product developer. Like, I'm not a designer. These are all people that design stuff. I'm more of a back-end person, so I'm more incorporating features, building features out, rather than designing entire websites. But um, but yeah, I'm trying to get into web development. At least that's probably the field I'm heading towards right now. Maybe later on, I'll be focusing more on back-end development and software development more. But this currently is what is attracting me. So, oh, I like that. What is this? A lot of gasps. A lot of these developers are using a lot of gasps. And I'm noticing these like the mouse is a circle. Nah. Oh, I see. Oh, there's a glitch in this website. Okay. I don't think I'll be using too many 3D elements in my own design. So yeah, right. Oh, again with the scroll indication and is that a menu? That is. Oh, that is okay. is he using? Let's see. I don't know what that is. Wow, he's building this in pure HTML. Oh no, this is Java. This is React. I see. Yeah, this is pure React. Cool. I see. What is he using though? Interesting. I'll save this website for instance. Yeah. This. Make a subsection. Links. We can go to one. There you go. So I'm looking for something that's kind of mechanical. The design I'm thinking of would probably have like some sort of tick and watch, like a watch. I don't know. I'm thinking like a tick and watch because one of the things I want to do in oh my god, I can't spell today. One of the things I want to do for this portfolio is to have something unique to me. And one thing I do is I build watches as a hobby. So I'm thinking to have like the header or the main section of it to be a ticking watch. And maybe I'm thinking that it will zoom in. I was looking at other 3D models earlier. Like this is a 3D model of a tick animated watch, and I'm thinking to have this as the main background in like a probably a darkish color. And as the user scrolls, the watch zooms in into the heart, which is this little thing, and we can show like different parts of the website as they keep scrolling. So this is an idea, so I'm not sure yet, right? So I'll save this 3D. Thanks. 3D model for later. Maybe I'll definitely bookmark it. Oh, thank you. So in terms of colors, I'm leaning towards neutral colors. I'll start drawing in a bit here what I want the website to look like. But I'll definitely be using more animations and a lot more of this, what he does here when you're scrolling down that the text gets filled. In terms of like, again, a lot of these scrolling, you see them everywhere. What is this? I like the design of this website. Obviously, it's not practical, but and it's not intuitive either. So I don't want anything that's too crazy like this. He definitely over-engineered this website, but it's a very cool website overall. Again, like there's images missing and all, but I want something that's moderate, not too crazy, and not too hard to navigate. So find this website a little bit harder to navigate. What is that? Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, damn. I like that. Testimonials. I like that. Let's take a screenshot of this for later. And I will be using that. I don't know how he did that, but I think he's also using Gasp for that. Gasp does a lot of these animations. So, cool guy. Shopify development. Oh, wow. Some of these guys, you go through their websites and you kind of feel like, damn, what am I doing? A lot of these guys are very young too. Like, none of them are like older than 16. Not 16, I mean 26. Oh my god. This is 3JS, so this is another piece of technology that I might not be using, but maybe. We'll see. 3JS. Essentially adding 3D elements into a website. I've used it a little bit, like, so you could see here. Because my website isn't loading. I'm not sure why. You get the idea. So 3JS. We're looking for. Oh. I'm starting to think that my browser is causing all these issues. What? Sure. Why is Chrome doing this? Let's check this out. Chrome should. No, it is a compatibility issue. This is my browser. So a lot of these websites, again, because they're very over-engineered, they're not cross-compatible with websites. This is like a very deep, what do you call it? Like it's a lot more complicated. Like some websites support features that some browsers support features that others don't. So let's see. All right. Yeah, it's cross compatibility. Like a lot of these websites, again, they're not built for practicality. They're more built for showcasing. I like this. This is kind of cool. I can definitely use this. Oh, I'll use this for my case studies. Oh, damn. This is all pure CSS, no? I 100% think this is pure CSS. Oh, yeah, this is pure CSS. Crazy, man. I mean, I'm not that good at CSS, but holy crap. This man is wild here. Where is this CSS? Oh, wow. Wow, it's crazy. This man is. Okay. We'll take this. I'll look into this scrolling feature later. See how I can incorporate it. But definitely won't add that. Hmm. I like how this is designed. Okay. Getting a little cluttered here. I see. Oh, wow. I'm gonna start like scrolling on. Has a lot bigger of a user base. That's really cool. Yeah, these websites all use 3D elements in there. Okay. Hmm. Very cool. Are these random photos? No, they're designated photos. Alright. Very well done. Oh. Hmm. This is a lot more of a simplistic design, but it works really well. Is this responsive? Let's see. Oh wow, it's very responsive. Nice. creative. What is that? Oh, look at that. Right? It's super cool. Whoever designed this is very creative. I don't know if I could incorporate something like that, but cool. It's like their design. It's kind of like that. He has like an accent to him, or like a personality to his design. It's cool. Ferrari movie. Cool. Yeah. Oh, this website is heavy. Or is it because I have? Let's just close that. Okay. How do I? I'll click. Okay. Can you scroll? Okay. Section header case. I see. Okay. How is he doing that? That's cool. Scroll in text. Okay. All right. VDJS. Hmm. Okay. Okay. I think I know what's trending. Um, so let's now look at Pinterest. Pinterest is a great source for any design, really. Anything design related, people post on Pinterest. So it's it's a great color palette. So let's search up portfolio. Actually, let's. Sure. I've seen that before. Okay. I want something like not completely dark. There's these things called hues. They're background hues, and they're becoming popular. They're not yet very popular, and it's just like instead of having a completely um, monocolored background, you add faints of color in the background. Not as drastic as this, maybe like a little bit lighter, but you can create really cool stuff with it, like something like that. I've seen a lot of designers use it. Zara also, I've seen Zara. Yeah. So I'm thinking something around those lines. Um, I think stuff like that is definitely a lot easier to create, like image wise, and just import it as an image rather than try to create it in CSS. So this is not a website. This is just a design, but still, it's really cool. You could see a lot of this, and you could see how you can take a static website, essentially like this. Um, they're not fake colors. They're I don't know. Did I say fake colors? No, they're accents into the backgrounds rather than just having a monocolored background. I don't know if I said fake colors. Did I say fake colors? I don't know. Yeah, but essentially, yeah. You can see how you can like take a static design like this and add a lot of the animations we saw to make a very dynamic looking website that can showcase both skill and a little bit of personality. Um, I don't have a current portfolio, so this would be probably a 2 week project. So I'll be taking something like this. It's a mood board. What is this? Okay, no. No, you might be totally right. I might have said fake colors. I want a bigger design like this. Yeah. So I'm just gonna just take a screenshot of this. Definitely add it to the background. I might even use the font he's using because it works well with this background color. And I might have a light mode with the exact same colors like this actually. I'm trying to decide. No, do not apologize. I'm sorry. Are you a web developer, Wild Seed? These are actually super cool. I like this. Just have some organized here. Mm. Oh wow, that's cool. A dental assistant. How long have you been doing that for? Let's see. You're from Europe. Damn. Where in Europe? I'm currently located in Canada and I'm stuck inside because there's a massive snowstorm right outside and pretty much uh, unlivable outside currently. Oh wow, congratulations. Sweden. I've never been to Sweden. What's your favorite part about Sweden? Like, huh, okay. It's pretty cold in Sweden, I believe, too. Monochrome 3D design, I see. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the live stream. Just to update everybody, we are looking for inspiration to build a portfolio. So I'm just updating myself on what's currently trendy in the web development world. And hopefully we can take some inspiration and then put it all together and hopefully build a website or a portfolio to showcase to employers. The free education must be super nice. In Canada, we do have free healthcare. It's not the best, but we're not like the States, at least. From Ethiopia. Wow. Oh, you've been to the States. How long did you spend in the States? Let's see. So oh, this will take probably like I'd say a week. Definitely a week. Just I mean, I don't have a lot to do right now. I am part time. Like I work as a barista in a coffee shop, but I'm mainly working on projects. I have a couple of interviews next week, so we'll see how those goes. But regardless, I do need a portfolio. So this will probably take about a week to 2 weeks of just dedicated work, but it depends how big or how fancy I want it to be. 15 years in California. Yeah, yeah. Were you raised in California? Thank you. We'll try our best. um, what time is it in Sweden right now? Come on. I might need a different pen than this. Oh, I see. Which one do you like better, Sweden or the United States? Let's see. Sorry, I'm just gonna go grab a pen out back. It's midnight. It's yeah, it's 6 p.m. right now. Or 1817. Are you currently resided in Sweden, or have you been to the U.S.? Or do you still, do you still go to the U.S.? Let's make an about section. No, we don't do military time. I do military time. Most people do 24 or 12 hours. I find military time a lot more explicit regarding. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Caleb. Appreciate it. That's so sweet of Caleb. Yeah. California is definitely a lot different right now after COVID. It's I've heard it's gotten worse. Like their homeless situation is almost out of control. None of these pens work. Oh, there it is. Funny. All right. So now we have an idea of what we want. Um, yeah, take your time. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hello, everybody. So now that we have a little bit of an idea how I want my portfolio to look like, I'm gonna start designing it, and I will be using Canva to do that. Why not? Let's log into Canva. Let's make sure we're not leaking private information here. So I'm just gonna have to transition for a second. All right, let's log in here. I want to show some login details. Great design. The website. So this will be a very basic design, right? There's no, I could use Figma for it, but I like this better. Figma, just so everybody knows, Figma is the primary application designers use in web development. Probably the best program to use, but I am not super familiar with Figma, and I find Canva a lot easier to deal with. So we're gonna be using that. All right, so we'll be I'll be just roughing out what I want my website to look like overall. Except all cookies. Let's add a couple of pages. All right. I think we are safe, so we can transition back. All right. right. So, that's just text box. Settings. All right. So we're gonna have a logo. I want the logo to be right up there. Right. And then we're gonna have an about section. An about section. Let's do this the actual development way instead of jacking it. So we need a circle or something of that shapes. Yeah, yeah. All right, so cool. Let's make. So this is how you would design a product in the field. So you would create what's called a architecture. I forgot the formal name for it, but something like that. So then we need an about section, an about page. Well, we need a home page first. Home page, a home page, an about page, a case study a case study page where all my projects will be. Inside the about page, we need a contact form. All right, so we can add an arrow for that. Just a basic arrow, just to make sure. Why is it doing that? God damn. It'd be so much easier if I just use Figma, but no. We started here, we will finish here. Let's do this. All right. Good. So we will. It's not centered, but it's gonna bother me. There you go. Perfect. So we're gonna have a contact form, a study case page. What else? What should I add? A home that's connected to a study page. Right. So let's duplicate that. Let's connect. Make sure. All right. So just so everybody knows, each arrow indicates making sure. Each arrow indicates a link between this page to that page. So, or actually, just to make this more make sense, I guess we're gonna have a nope. Let's connect it to the middle. A home page that connects to an about page, and let's be very explicit with our designs. Yep. So now, fantastic. That connects to an about page, case study page. That connects to a contact form. Maybe we'll make a different page. We can add a I don't know what to add. What is big? let's see what he has here. Use pricing projects. Yeah. I think that's about it. Right, homepage, about page, case study page. Yeah. Use link. I think that's about it. I don't know if I need anything else. Hi hey Shenfit. I am a developer. Or trying to be at least a developer. So a product developer. Software developer, more specifically. Okay, so homepage, about page, case study page, and a contact form. These are the full pages we'll be building. Hi, Nicholas. Welcome to the live stream. Now, how these will be laid out, we will decide soon. So, I don't want to use this convention. Convention is fine, but for this, just I know this makes no difference, but my ADD will kill me. So, well, I'm by training a machine learning engineer, so C++, I guess all the languages for a machine learning engineer. I'm trying to enter web development, so I'm trying to be a backend developer. So, and right now we're building a portfolio for myself to do that. Boop. Let's connect these normally. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. Yeah. I have a couple of, I guess, algorithmic projects. Hey Reacts, Finn Reacts. So you could say I know a little bit of LLM. Okay. How are you, Finn? Welcome to the live stream. All right, so this is what we have. We have a home page, an about page, and a case study page. Not necessarily in this order, but you know what I'm talking about. And the case study page will contain projects. The about page will contain. Oh, thank you, Finn. I really appreciate that. Yeah, so the about page will contain information about me, my degree. Oh, thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. That's so sweet of you. And we can keep going on. Well, so the beauty about Canva, it has a little AI tool. You can tell it to do anything. We can brainstorm, so we can ask it to brainstorm a layout, a website. Why? Ooh. Oh, it's just giving us templates. I do not want templates. All right, never mind. We will. Not every AI is smart. Okay. Now, now we know what our product looks like. So this is the general architecture of our website. Essentially, 4 pages. We can. I'm thinking about an infinite scroll, so like kind of like this, rather than like separate pages. But obviously, we need to make them separately. We will be using what would it be? What is it called again? I forgot. We will be using. I keep forgetting the package. Oh, there it is. Gasp. We will be using Gasp for our animations. So Gasp is again, it's like a package you can use with React. React is the language we'll be building our website with. And it just adds animations like this, just to add a little bit of a spice to our portfolio. Hi, Nicholas. Hi, July. Yes, I am. I am doing it again. Um, so Finn, we are creating a job portfolio. So just to make it a little bit easier for recruiters to hire us or make ourselves look more attractive. Um, Earlier, I was looking at awards. I was looking to browsing awards and just seeking inspiration. These are the same main websites. Um, 2024 is pretty good so far. I think it's exciting. I just graduated. I finished my degree, so um, I'll be hopefully a complete adult by the end of this year with a job. Fingers crossed, if the job market allows. Yes, I'm trying to be a front web developer. Yeah, I'm not the best front web developer. My specialty is not that, but you know, it's more of a hobby, and we're trying to make it a career. I agree. I agree. Um, Most of the jobs are in AI. You're right. However, in order to be very competitive in AI, you have to have like a master's or a PhD. And for me, at least, the field is way too competitive for me to enter. At least, there's some really smart people that work in AI that are way, way, way more smarter than me. And AI requires a lot of uh, how do I? It requires a very deep knowledge of mathematics that you are constantly using to develop these algorithms. Hi, Nicholas. We are building a portfolio. So we're essentially just going through the process of building generally a product from start to finish. Um, so again, so we will have a logo, some sort of logo. We will design a logo later, but and in the logo we could have here we can have a case study, and maybe that's correct. You're right. There are definitely more jobs that that are a lot less demanding. Um, but in general, the AI field currently, uh, I feel like it's not that I feel like it's just very competitive. And I do not have the full, I guess, motivation to pursue a career in it. Right? Yeah, yeah. General AI will definitely we will definitely reach general AI within the next year. The best job in the world, to be honest with you, July, is mostly a job that you're satisfied with, a job that will give you financial freedom and allow you to do essentially whatever you want. Um, I don't think there's a specific job for everybody. Everyone obviously has different aspirations and different goals, but as long as you can find a job that you're satisfied with and can pay your bills, I think that's a good job out there. Oh yeah, how long did you work as a backend developer for? Thanks, Finn. Supportive. Let's see here. All right, so we'll be building. This is essentially our menu. Uh, we will be. Let's add an element here. Again, we're not trying to design anything that's crazy. We're just designing the layout. We will have some sort of pick this. I might want the section to be like this actually, because this will have an image. Oh my god! Wow, you're very experienced. Did you get your degree in computer science? Where are you located, Shenpit? Are you located in the U.S. near or anywhere in the Western countries? Oh wow, physics. So you definitely have the math background for AI, yeah. No worries, Nicholas. Thank you for joining us. I mean, I'll be here for a couple, maybe like another hour or something. Then I'll have to go, but thanks for joining us. Thank you, Shenfit. You enjoy your night. All right. I appreciate the advice. Okay. I need symmetry here, so. Mm, make that bigger. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone for joining. Should be big enough, no? There you go. Something like that. All right. There should be some music playing. Is it not playing, Nicola? July? Oh no. I hope now it's playing. Should have been playing the entire time. Sorry about that, guys. I really like what he did here with the testimonial. Yes, Finn, I'll be doing a live stream every day until I get, I think my goal was about 42 projects done. So this is my second project. After that, we will be keeping going. Maybe we'll see how it goes. All right, so let's see. Oh, it was really low. Yeah, I think because it was way too loud before. And I had to lower it, but thanks for letting me know. Where are you from, July? Bye, Finn. Enjoy the rest of your night, afternoon. All right, so let's just make. There's this. So I saw this design somewhere. Why isn't it duplicating? No, don't. And I really want to replicate it. It's like something like that. Beautiful. And of course, we'll be having animations that would. So let's see how this entire thing is looking so far. I don't think I need to. Yeah, perfect actually. Yeah. 2025 is, I'm not sure. There's so much technological progress going on right now. It's really hard to say, honestly. Hi Bounty. Welcome to the live stream. Born in America. Very cool. All right. So this is something I want to replicate. This is hover effect. Bye, Nicholas. we'll be here for another hour or so. So this cool hover effect definitely I want to replicate within the portfolio. So I think I will be doing that. I'm not sure how, but we'll figure it out, right? That's how this stuff works. Body of text, or just call it text for now. Bounty, I am designing my portfolio. So I went over a bunch of awards website. I got some inspiration and got updated with the current, I guess, industry standards or fashion, I guess. And now I'm designing my portfolio. So this is essentially it. This is the basic architecture of the portfolio. Right here. Oh, I zoomed in too much. I'll have about 4 pages. Yeah, it'll have about 4 pages. Home page, about page, case study page, and it'll be about using an infinite scroll. So kind of like this. This is an infinite scroll. Oh, the effects. This effect is a lot of these designs are using this package called Gasp. Essentially, this is what a lot of developers use to animate their website. Gasp is like a scroll animation kind of thing. You can add it to JS, you know. So essentially, this is yeah. Yeah, it's cool. Awards. I'm not a designer whatsoever, but Awards is a great website to get some inspirations from. These are the websites I'm looking at right now. These are my yeah. These are my websites. So yeah, it's a library. It's pretty cool. A lot of these developers also use 3JS, but I won't be using that. I'm just trying to make a coolest website I could make with my current skill set. I don't want to jump too far in. I don't want to spend more than a week, to be honest, on this website. So we'll try to limit it. Body of text. And let's see. Duplicate. Thanks. How you doing, Bounty? Did you sleep yesterday? I want enough. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. So I want the text to be kind of behind. Which means actually I have to add a page here. That text here, and then as we scroll down, I'll go behind it. That's pretty good. Why don't I try filming videos as a real job? That's a good question. Maybe we'll start doing that. Right now, it's more of a hobby. And if it goes somewhere, it goes somewhere. So far, I think this is about, I don't want to make it too crazy. So we'll have a body of text with a bunch of maybe projects or testimonials here. Our case studies will be here, a body of text, some fact about me or something. Maybe some more projects I worked on. I'm still hanging from the cliff. I slept pretty good. The interview went really well yesterday, so I'm hoping for the best. We'll see. Our oh, like how to make content. That's a great idea. It's a lot of work, but you know what? As if you put dedication to it, you'll definitely get there. Oh my god. Yeah, I finished the React project from yesterday, and I was trying to push it to GitHub, but I overread it, you know. I overread. Oh my god. Let me I deleted other projects on my GitHub, and it was an entire issue. I had to fix it. I panicked for a second. Thank God I had backups. 1, 2, 3. The lab. So I'm guessing work. What's the lab? What is he here? Don't fast. Don't use that GPT. Suffer through it now so you don't have to suffer through it later. Trust me. Alright, so and then our last bit of thing would be right here. My the React project we were working on yesterday. I don't know if you remember this project. I uploaded it and I accidentally deleted everything in that file. What is the first day? I had backups on my backup computer, so I was able to recover a lot of the stuff. What do you mean July? Oh, like the description, huh? Oh yeah. I'll update it. Thanks, July. I really appreciate that. Day 13. Yeah, I deleted all my projects from GitHub accidentally. No, you're right. You're right, July. It does say the first day. It should say day 13. I did not update it. Thank you so much, July. I really appreciate that. Alright, so this is how our design looks like. I think very basic, nothing crazy, but it's a little bit of design, styling. We can make this look insane. So now we know what I want it to look like. We can start working on how I want this to look, or how I want this to be put together. So what are we looking at now? Now we have to find fonts. We have to find fonts, guys. Let's see, font. So we'll go to Google Fonts and find. We start browsing fonts now. Now, I don't want something too crazy. A lot of these developers here use like insane monochromatic fonts. I don't want that. I want something more basic, something more minimalistic, I think. Let's see. I saw a developer that used a really good font. I should have kept the link, and he did not. Not there. It's okay though. Okay, so let's add our design. H1. Yeah. It does hinder performance. You're right. It is best to use like default fonts, but we're not really worried about functionality for our portfolio. We're more worried about seducing the recruiter. More like catfishing recruiter into hiring us, you know? Thank you, Nicholas. I really appreciate that. Thanks for subscribing. Wow, you guys are awesome. It's been only a week. It's crazy. Alright, let's see here. I saw some. You're definitely right. I think that's definitely a good idea. SAS? You really think SAS is... I've never used it. Astro. Oh, this is... Superset of C, which means that essentially all valid CSS valid SAS as well, because similarly SAS. What's the difference between SAS and CSS, Bounty? Oh. Oh, I see. That's actually really nice. Nesting. Just syntax different. Oh, really? Min-max, at min-max theme, and regular min-max. Wow, that's actually so nice. And is this the... How is this compatible across, like, browsers? Does it have good support? Yeah? Huh. What's done with this? PNG is fine. Hi, Nicholas. Enjoy GTA 5. This is actually It's getting together, guys. Oh, does it? So it has good support, I'm guessing. It's just default CSS, which is different syntax. That's nice. I've never used Sass. I've heard of it and I've seen it in job postings, but I've never really actually used it. Can you do math in shit? You can't do math, but you can do math in Sass. I think you can do like calculations in CSS now, no? I see. That's cool. Yeah, I do use Bit for my React framework. I do use Bit. I use Bit to install all because it does a lot of the stuff for you, so I don't have to worry about it. Okay, cool. Look at that. This is so cool. Like, it's a lot of work, but it's like a movie. You're taking someone through a video. Of course, it's not functional, but like it's not like very practical, but it's still cool. Like people can do that. Look at that. Yeah, July. I might need a little bit of a break, huh? But no, I'll work for a little bit, then we can take a little bit break. Yeah, that's exactly what I do if I didn't break my goddamn computer yesterday. But like, let's see if I have the backup. I use Bit, but I think Bounty. I had issues uploading my work to Netlify because of it. Do you know why? Like I can npm, like if I do npm build, for example, a puzzle game. I don't know. I'm having issues with that, but I'd have to figure it out. npm run div. I see. Huh. Yeah, I have everything in GitHub right now. Do you recommend any games, July? I'm not a big gamer, so I haven't played a video game, believe it or not, in like, I don't know. When was the last time I played a video game? 4 years, I think. I think the last video game I played was probably like Overwatch 1, because I know there's like an Overwatch 2 now. Yeah, I think that was like the last like obsessed video game I've ever gone into. Alright, let's see here. Alright, this is our design, so we can start building fonts and color palette. I'm thinking, because it's kind of cool and I want to be a little trendy, I want to add this accent to the background rather than having. Yeah, that's exactly how I publish my my code to Netlify. Exactly like that. I import it from GitHub. What's it called? July? I do have Discord. Yeah. I'll put it in a. I'll put it in the chat. What are you running here? If it wasn't for copyright, I'd be playing JoJo right now. Yeah, great. I'll put my username in the chat. 1 second. Just GitHub, it likes to like update itself every time I open it. I don't know why. There you go. I do machine learning. Yes, I do machine learning. That is my main expertise. All right, I think this looks good. And then the text will have this. Okay. Now I don't want to lose this design. So we'll save it. All right. So now, what do we put here? What do we put here? I think I'm gonna use Mons. Wait. I used it for a project. There's a font that I used for a project that I really liked. Should be that, no? Oh, I have to give you the little IT thing. What's your username? I'll add you. I can run a test app. This project. Watch this. I think. There it is, system UI. This is what I'll be using. All right. I just sent you a friend request. Alright, so I'll just use it. I'll be using Apple font, the Apple system font, which is fine. Alright, so let's make a design system here. What's Pug? What? Does it have a design already? Thanks, July. Bounty School. No idea. I'll look it up actually. Maybe. Alright, this MacBook Air. So we have layers here. Pug HTML. Wow, Bounty, you know a lot about web development. Oh, it's essentially like React. It just uses JavaScript to compile code. React is essentially just JavaScript, which is why a lot of people like it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. July is wild. Let's see. I'll add random images here. Yeah. text, and then we'll just duplicate something like this. Just some inspiration, and that would be our last page, and then I think we'll be okay after that. And this would be our about page. Yeah, that's right. Oh wow, it's damn, really? I've never heard of it. Where did you hear of it? It's like an obviously it's not new. It seems like an established language, but or framework. No. I want something like, where is this? We should strive for partners. Thanks, July. Ah, there it is. I think that would be our nice and about. Yeah, how did you hear of Pug? We want to have a little bit of symmetry, of course. There you go. Pug is Get off. Oh, I see. Right. You've been doing this for a second. Do you program Pug? July, sorry. Not Pug. I'm mixing up. Fire shit. Is that a YouTuber? Big book. Oh Jesus! All right, so this is our design right here. How long have I been on this? All right, so now we have our layout, we can start having some inspiration. All right, I'll be using Apple font. And what else? We can start designing pretty much how we want this to look like. No idea, man. Fireship. What is that? Is that Fireship.io? Oh, Fireship. Oh, Jesus. I've heard of Fireship. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god. Damn, you know you're getting old when you're... Jesus. God damn it. Okay, how do we want this? What do I want to put here? Let's go to the Unsplash. Unsplash. God damn it, man. Let's search up desert. Desert, maybe. Alright, so how are we gonna do this now? Alright. How should the landing page look like? Yeah, man, no, I'm out of it. I'm so tired. Oh my god. I might have to go soon, guys. Let's see. How should the landing page look like? I want something like this, you know? Have like a little like let's see what we can make with Canva. On top of emoji font. Yeah? Yeah, you're right. Something like that, huh? Ooh, you just gave me a really good idea. You gave me... Oh, Jesus. I think I have a great idea. What would I do without you, Bounty? Let's search up Arabic. Let's see if there's... Oh. We need to spell Arabic first. Arabic. Yeah. I want something like that. Reading model of yours, yeah, maybe. You know what I think? I think it'd be cool to have floating, like Arabic text. So let's go back to Canva and let's see how we can do this. Where did I close Canva? God damn it. I think we should. I don't know. Back me up here. Here, listen to me, Bounty. What if we what if we make like Arabic, big Arabic, traditional Arabic text, like, I don't know, let's search up Arabic text, right? For me, I don't have any pets, Bounty. I don't like cat pets. Something like, I don't know what this is, like that, and it scrolls across the main page. What do you think? Is that too much, huh? No recruiters be racist and not hire me because of that. Something like that, you know? Just like, but the entire page. Will that scare recruiters away? I don't know if that would. I don't know if that would make recruiters question. Oh my god. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This just pretty much says like, just like a greeting. We can have that scroll across. Yeah, right? Will that scare people away from my website though? You know what I mean? I swear. We'll be adding that. And then my logo will be like my name in Arabic, maybe. Or not my name in Arabic, my initials in Arabic. The text will pretty much say welcome in Arabic. You know, like this is pretty much what I probably add, like Salaam alaikum, which is pretty much just a greeting. Hell yeah. The Wikipedia logo. Oh, like this? This logo, July? Hell yeah. Let's copy this image and let's try to add that in Canva. Let's duplicate our design because I don't want to make a copy. I don't want to ruin the layout. Yeah, I'll definitely spend like a little bit of time to design the logo, but like I have an idea for the logo, but for now I'm mostly focused on. Oh, come on. Why is Canva doing this to me? Canva, this is supposed to be transparent. APTV. I like it. Yeah, I think you're right. That Wikipedia logo, something like that. What do you think is cool about it, July? Hey, Bounty, don't steal my idea like that, huh? Come on. I'm kidding. Go ahead, man. You could do it. What does Bangladesh use? What language does the Bangladeshi? I'm guessing. Do I have web colors? What do you mean? Bounty, you're gonna call me out again. Figma I'm not the best at Figma. I like Canva because I've used Canva for a while. I should learn Figma someday, but I don't think it's that important, is it? I hope not. Text or something. Let's put that on. Yeah, that's pretty much right. Yeah, you're right. I really hope that I don't. Oh, thank God. Oh my God. I hate when people do this. They give you like a transparent background, but it's not actually transparent. It is definitely massively used. Bangla, right? Yeah, yeah. You should do something similar with Bangla, maybe. Like when you design your portfolio, sub Bangla text like that says like welcome or something goes across the screen. Shows a little bit of heritage. I think that'd be a cool idea. Anyways, guys, I might have to wrap up the stream here. But this is a great idea. I'll come back tomorrow. I won't work on it, I promise. Come back tomorrow, finish the design, and then we might get coding on the website. We spent a lot of time today looking for designs and everything, so that ate up a lot of my time. Thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate you guys. You guys have been absolutely supportive, even though I've been only streaming for like 2 weeks now. The engagement is insane. I did not expect this. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Bounty, do not stay up too late. I know it's 5 a.m. in Bangladesh right now. Go to sleep. So, July, thank you for joining us. I hope to see you soon as well. Join us on the next live stream as well. We'll be designing the entire thing. We'll be coding it, inshallah, and bit by bit, we'll have a fully working website by the end of the week. That's the goal. Alright guys, well, you have a good night, and we'll see you guys later. Bye bye.